Dear Heavenly Father, we're grateful for this day. We're grateful that we could have a good day today, and please bless us to be able to understand all of the necessary tasks and work that we need to do for this class this week. And we say these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Okay.
So I'm kind of behind this week because I didn't do anything yesterday.
Really? Hey, Joseph, what do you say we just kick her out?
What'd you say?
Rachel said she's not prepared for Google Hangout. Just kick her out.
Why not?
Bye, I'll just turn on the video right now.
Well, since I'm an overachiever, I did homework,
Yeah,
Probably
I went
for-
hiking and
probably for like the first time. I just did it like right before devotional today. Yeah, I'm definitely not ahead. I was just giving you a hard time.
okay.
Okay.
So does everyone understand what Radians are?
Yes.
Yeah.
They're like pie things.
Yeah.
Yep.
I was watching one of the videos like right before
There's videos?
the Google Hangout, and so it's like the circumference, or like the measure of that.
Yeah, that one.
Have you filled out your circle?
Were we supposed to do a circle?
I don't know. That's what number 2 says, is make sure everyone filled out the unit circle.
Oh. Yeah, Google got me a good one.
Gosh, this is so annoying. They don't even tell you where this stuff is.
Dude, Google, bro. Just solves all your problems. Oh, man.
I remember doing one, like filling out a circle in high school, and then my teacher made us have like this nice little booklet full of all the stuff in like section.
Yeah, I did that as well. I need to look for it. I know it's here in my house. I just need to find it.
Yeah, I'm just like, I don't want to fill it out because I know I have it somewhere. And I'll just like ask my family to mail it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not too hard though. I mean, there's not like a whole ton of stuff.
No, it's just like I know how much we're gonna need it in the future.
Yeah. You know what's sad? Or weird or whatever? I took calculus for the first week of this semester, and by day 3, we had gone through everything we've gone through so far, and we're filling out unit circles and using them. And I was just like, I don't know what's going on. So I dropped it.
Yeah.
Oh man. So I got my Google unit circle, so I'm prepared as far as that. Any vocabulary that is not understood?
For me, no.
Okay. Well, let's have a swimming pool full of math problems and dive in it.
Yeah.
That's a Kendrick Lamar reference. Okay. Problem number 1.
Do we want to each do one like we did last time?
I can do the first problem.
Whoever came up with that idea is kind of dumb, so I don't think we should do
I don't know. I feel like we got through it a lot faster.
Yeah,
Same.
we certainly did. We like narrowed the time down by like at least 30 minutes, I think.
Well, there's 8 problems, so I can do the last 3
Okay.
or the last one, either
I've
or.
already done the first 4, so
Oh, congratulations! I'll do the last 2.
I'll do the middle 2 then.
cool.
Right about. Are we just writing down the degrees, or what are we writing down?
You write down them in radians. So you're gonna have to, like, when you put it into your calculator, you're gonna have to switch the mode from sine or from degrees to radians.
So put it on degrees or keep it on radians?
Keep it on radians.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't really know how to do this with a unit circle very well.
That's why calculator helps.
Yeah, I have a friend. His name is Symbolab. He helps me with all my problems. So did everyone get theirs?
What's that?
Did everyone get theirs? You know how to
Yeah.
do it? So what you do is you just like add or subtract 2 pi till you get something that's on the square, right? Or how does that work?
Wait, how to get what?
Oh, because you do cosine. Well, yeah. So how do you? So what you do is you just I don't know. How do you do it? How do you do these problems? You know?
For which problem?
Um,
The first one?
Yeah, the first number one.
Um, Sine 4/3 or 4 pi over 3. I know there's like a certain equation that you have to do in order to convert it from that. Actually, no, I'm thinking of converting from degrees to radians and radians to degrees. I think you just, I don't know. I don't know like if there's like an actual way to do it. I just plugged it in
So
my calculator and called it good, but I don't know. That's what I just did, so I don't know.
So I just Googled the circle and then I found a picture with all of the like the pi on it.
Uh-huh.
And then so all of those numbers that it says are one of the lines circle. So like one of the triangles that it makes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So cosine pi over 3, it would just be 1 over like 1/2 because that's where that degree is.
And cosine's on the left and sine's on the right, right? Like the XY.
I think so.
Yeah, I think. When I was doing the homework today, it was like that. So I'm assuming it's always like
You have then you should just be able to point it to it on the map or point it on it.
that. Sweet. Number 2.
For like, are you for like the second part of number one, or are you saying like problem 2?
I was thinking maybe problem 2.
Oh, okay.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, we can move on.
Mm. Can you guys hear that?
Sort of.
One of my roommates came home and saw the dog and is blasting "Who Let the Dogs Out." You guys ready to talk about number 2?
Almost. Just give me a minute.
All right.
Yeah. What did you guys get for pi over 4?
7.
Because I keep getting 1/2.
I didn't get 7. Sorry, I was just kidding. I think it's 1 over the square root of 2.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Are we supposed to do anything for number 3?
No, I think it's just like kind of telling you what the fundamental theorem of trigonometry is. I guess it's also kind of like a check to see if you like looked at the PowerPoint. I just looked at it. It kind of gives you a unit circle sort of. And let me pull it up. Yeah, it just like talks about 30, 60, 90 triangles and 45, 45, 90 triangles within the unit circle, which is like what causes like the sine of 45 and like the sine of 90 degrees and like all that other stuff, like what those equal to in radians, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Number 2.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Sorry, what are we ready for?
Just talking about number 2.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So aren't sine and cosine like of each other, and that's why when you square them, they'll equal 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, it goes back to the good old, like number 3 says, like the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Yeah.
And c squared in a unit circle is always going to be 1. Also, so I have a question about like, why is it 1 over the square root of 2 instead of the square root of 2 over 2 for the cosine and sine of pi of 1 over the cosine and the sine of pi over 4?
Okay.
Like why is it like that? Like, why isn't it just the square root of 2 over 2?
Wait, for which part?
When it says do the same process for the pi over 4 and pi over 6.
Uh-huh.
Like the answer to that is 1 over the square root of pi. I'm sorry, 1 over the square root of 2.
Yeah.
How did you get that besides, because like when you plug it in a calculator, it just comes out as a square root of 2 over 2, which is the same.
Are you sure your calculator set to radians and not degrees?
Oh, you know what? I might be on. Okay, yeah, I'm probably on degrees.
Because if you set it to radians, it will make it 1 over the square root of 2, which once you square that equals 1/2.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that might be why you've been getting a different answer.
Okay, well that makes sense. Well, fun fact: square root of 2 over 2 is the same as 1 over the square root of 2.
Yeah.
Same answer. Okay, that's why I was like, how are they getting that? But calculator settings. Okay. Sweet. Cool.
Did you guys want to talk about anything else for number 2, or did you want to move on to number 4?
Number 4.
Number 4.
Okay.
We have to use our book. Holy cow! What's that?
I don't know. Let's find out.
I think I get the idea of like what it's talking about for like the motion of a spring. I don't know what it means for the formula though.
Well, I guess I'll have to open the textbook. Has anyone found it in the book yet?
My
Not
book is
yet.
still loading.
Man, we gotta pay $60 for this thing. Bing. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Aha, page 359.
Any thoughts?
Um, I mean, you just plug in the stuff in a calculator, I guess.
Yeah.
Do you know how the formula works? I don't really get how that exactly works. Do you have any thoughts about it, Rachel?
I'm looking at it right now. I'm just like reading through it again. Not really.
I mean, as long as I don't have to come up with any formulas on my own, I think I should be fine.
Yeah.
Any thoughts, Joseph?
What were you asking? I was busy, or I was reading I was busy reading, like, trying to go over the problem again.
Oh yeah, I was just asking, like it says in the Google Hangout thing, to discuss the formula and go through
Yeah,
the practice formula. But Rachel and I were just talking about, like, I mean, the only thing to really do with that problem, I mean, it already has it set out for us, so you just gotta plug in a calculator those numbers. But do you
yeah.
have any idea with the formula?
Um, Not for me, no. I don't. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. So I don't know. I don't have any questions about it or anything. So
I'll find out next semester when I actually take physics, and I'll let you guys know.
Yes. Hey, random side note question has nothing to do with math. Are you going to be living in Seattle next summer? I mean, this summer, Joseph?
what's that?
Are you still going to be in Seattle this summer?
I'm going back to Rexburg for spring semester.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'll be. I think spring's like mid-April till mid-July, and then once I get back from that, I'll work for like maybe like a month or so, and then I'll like during spring semester, I'll do my mission papers, and then um, after that, hopefully, I'll get my call and stuff.
Going on a mission?
Yeah.
Woo! I did one of those one time. It was pretty cool.
Same.
No
Where'd
way,
you
you
guys
did?
I served in England, in the
Oh,
UK.
okay. Nice.
I can't do England because I served in 2 countries.
Dope.
Yeah.
I didn't go anywhere cool. I just went to Southern California.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
It was super nice, though. Served in Long Beach.
Oh, wow. That's a nice area. Yeah.
Nice.
And you were what, Dublin? What'd you say? What mission were you, Rachel?
I was the England Birmingham mission.
Birmingham.
So England and Wales.
You served in Wales?
Mm-hmm.
You speak Welsh?
I know Borada and Caroti, and that's it.
Are those words or are those dialects?
Those are words. That means good day, and no means good morning and love you.
Wow. My ancestry goes back in Wales to about the year 900.
Nice.
Fun fact. Dang, cool. Yeah, dude, missions are sweet. I'm excited for
Yeah,
it.
I'm looking forward to it. So
Yeah, they're good experience. Even if you go stateside English speaking, they're still great. That's what I mean. And it was awesome. Cool. Well,
It's
are we
really
about good for the day?
yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
All right.
Cool.
Bye.
All right. See you guys.